Hi students, this is CUET 2024 Maths Paper Solution by Rupa Guha. Section B1 question 22. This is the question from integrals. Rather, I can say definite integrals. So I need to integrate lower limit is log 2, upper limit is log 3 e raised to the power 2x minus 1 divided by e raised to the power 2x plus 1. That is what I need to integrate. Four options are there with us. Now let's get down to the correct option, that is option 2 is the correct one, that is log 4 minus log 3. So this type of question, let's see how to integrate it. You might have seen these type of questions in NCERT as well. So e raised to the power 2x plus 1 is the denominator and e raised to the power 2x minus 1 is the numerator. Now, whenever you come across these type of questions, we need to do something that my denominator somehow becomes, if I equate that with a variable, my numerator becomes the derivative of that. So what I'm going to do, how I'm going to incorporate that, I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by e raised to the power x. So what happens after that? My numerator becomes e raised to the power x minus e raised to the power minus x, and the denominator is e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power minus x. So you see, when I equate the denominator with some variable, my numerator becomes derivative of that. So now the question falls into a very proper shape and we can integrate it very easily. So I have taken the denominator as t, my numerator becomes dt. Now one thing usually the students make mistake here is that they forget to change the limits. So whenever we are using substitution method, we have to take care of the limits as well. So let's do that. Lower limit will be changing to e raised to the power log 2 plus e raised to the power minus log 2. How I got down to that? E raised to the power x plus e raised to the power minus x I have taken as t, right? So in place of x, I'm going to put the lower limit. So that is what I have done. So ultimately, e raised to the power log 2, as we know, e raised to the power log x is x. So that will get down to 2. And I have done one thing here is that e raised to the power minus log 2 can be written as e raised to the power log of 2 raised to the power minus 1, putting that negative sign as a power of 2, right? Now it takes again the same form, that is e raised to the power log x is x. So I finally got 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2. Similarly, I'm going to work upon the upper limit also, and in the same working which I have done for the lower limit. So I get down to the final answer, that is 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 10 by 3. Now, if this is taken care of, now the question is very simple. Lower and upper limit I have taken care of. So lower limit is 5 by 2, upper limit is 10 by 3, and I have already changed that in t. So dt by t, that is log t. And then we put the upper and the lower limit respectively. Upper limit minus lower limit. So I get down to log of 10 by 3 minus log of 5 by 2. Now, since there is a negative sign in between them, they will be divided. That is log of m by n, right? So when I divide 10 by 3 divided by 5 by 2, I finally got the answer of log of 4 by 3. But that answer is not in any of the four options. So what I need to do here is that since there is 4 is divided by 3, I just subtracted it. That is log 4 minus log 3 using the laws of logarithm, right? So finally I land with this answer, log 4 minus log 3.